Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Mark. I am a teacher at VJ Primary School. Recently, I did a course with Digicel on online learning and teaching. Whilst doing this course, I was taught how to use various platforms and I was introduced to a place called Nearpod.com. Well, it's actually a website. Okay? This website allows teachers to be able to give their students work, and the students can do it remotely. They can do it they can also do it within the classroom. It has many benefits, and so today I will be showing you one of the ways that I've been using it. I hope it helps. Before I did this recording, I had a colleague of mine complete one of the lessons. If you look very carefully where I'm pointing, you will see verbs in that region. When I place my cursor over that region, you see live lesson and student-paced lesson. I chose student-paced lesson so that I could teach you how to go about doing it, but I will also be doing a live lesson with him later. So student-paced lessons, if you click on it, it will give you a code. Now I have already done this before, so this is the code that it gave me at 11:41 a.m. today. When I click on the code, I can now view the student's progress. Okay, so now you can see the student's name. This is Mr. Ragnar. Most of you might know him. Okay, I hope I'm saying his name correctly. It allows me also on the left hand side, I can see how many persons have done the assignment, and it would have listed their names right here. So it's only one person I gave it to, so it's only one person that's there right now. As we proceed, we again see the name of the lesson. We see the objectives of the lesson. And then we see a question that is to test whether or not he knows what a verb is, his prior knowledge. So right here, he says, yes, he knows what a verb is. It defines verbs. It gives examples of verbs. And then there is an activity that he did. It shows me what his answers were. And all this I can monitor from my home whilst he's doing it as well. So when he submits it, I can actually see it. This site has a wide variety of ways that you can learn. So you can learn through your reading, you can learn through videos, you can learn through a wide range of ways. And so right now you get to see a video.
Welcome to the Verb Show, featuring the amazing, stupendous, and always active dog.
Okay, so I am sure that students will find this very interesting and entertaining. After watching the video, you are presented with a question that would assess whether or not you understood what was done in there. So each sentence has a verb that tells what someone or something did. Okay, so he has chosen, well, he has given an answer, and here you see what he gave. So he got 100% correct. And then here we see sentences. They have highlighted the verbs. Again, another set of verbs. Another type of verb here as well. Okay, so then over here, we can see how he was assessed. So now I know that he actually does truly know what a verb is. I hope this video helps.